Hi, I'm Julieta. Can I ask you a few questions? It's about your favorite sport.
Sure, Julieta. I I love to talk about my favorite sport.
What is the name of your sport that you like the most?
I absolutely love basketball.
Why do you really like the sport?
Well, I find basketball incredibly exciting to watch and play. The fast-paced nature of the game, the teamwork involved, and the thrill of scoring points make it my favorite sport.
What are the most important rules of that sport?
In basketball, some of the key rules including dribbling the ball while moving, and not dribbling, and avoiding fouls on opponents. Also, you need to score by shooting the ball into the opponent's cup.
Okay. What is the necessary equipment to do this sport?
And to play basketball, you typically need a ball, a hoop, and a court. Players wear basketball shoes and jerseys and shorts. If you are playing competitively, you might also need protective gear like knee pads.
Okay. Could you tell me a famous person who still practices that sport that you like?
LeBron James is definitely my favorite player, and I admire him ever since I started playing basketball. But there are so many amazing players today, like Stephen Curry and Kevin Durant, who are also great role models.
In my opinion, I agree with you. That sport sounds very interesting.
I am glad to hear that, Julieta. Basketball is not just a sport, it is a way of life for many of us who love it.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.